you heard about the bird? Don't you know about the bird? Bird is the word. All right, our 3 words for our dictionary or glossary today are vein, barbs, and lift. Each one of our words this week has 1 syllable. Vein, it's actually got a magic E that is bonking that A on the head and making it say its own name. V-A-N. There are other ways to spell the word vein. The vein that goes into our bodies has a different spelling to it, but it's kind of the same thing. It goes through the middle and it's got other things branching off from it. So when we're talking about a bird, though, the vein is spelled V-A-N-E. And here I put what it means. It's the middle part of a feather. So that is sort of like the trunk of a tree and how all these other parts branch off from it. It is called the vein, and the other parts are connected to it and branch off from it. So that's why I drew that little picture, and I pointed to the vein, the middle part of a feather. All right, the barbs. Barbs. This has a bossy R. It's making the A say R like a pirate. Remember our pirate R's? So B-arb. And then I put an S on the end. Instead of making it 1 barb, that was singular, we made it plural, or more than 1 barb, to say barbs. The barbs, I was trying really hard to think about how to describe what they are. It's not really hair, but they're the little lines that connect to the feather vein. They're like hairs. Each little one is like its own little hair, and they're connected. They're all hooked together in there. The barbs. The barbs come off the vein. And then our last word for this week has a short I sound in the middle. It's got an FT that get blended together. Lift, lift. And that, I thought of describing that as the way air moves to bring something up to fly. So I'm not just talking about lifting something. When I'm talking about it in this glossary or dictionary, I'm thinking about the way we studied the principles or the elements of flight and what is needed, and how the air moves faster over the top of a wing or a curve than it does over the flat surface of the bottom, and that the lower air pressure creates lift, and it lifts things into the air. It could lift an airplane into the air, and it could also lift a bird, because bird, guess what, is the word. Oh, my favorite part.